Yeah, going towards the lake. This lake is in Thalwil, Zurich, Switzerland. It's a beautiful view. This is the view of the town, Thalwil town in Zurich. So we are walking towards the steps which are going down towards the lake. It's very cold. It's about 5 degrees here. Very cold. It is in the middle of April. Today is, I think, 20th?
Yeah.
20th April. See, you can see all the plants are very green because of the rain. The tulips in the garden. The tulips are in full bloom here. Beautiful. Such lovely tulips. Because of the cold weather, the gardens are so beautiful. This is the view of the lake.